Hi everyone, thank you for joining in the Pallet Palace and the Fluffy Butts Chicken Farm. Today we're going to go over how to keep your chickens warm and safe during the winter. With the Arctic blast coming in, it's going to make it extremely important to keep them safe and warm. What we have done is we have completely covered the chicken run with plastic. Say hi, Nyla. Including the top of it as well. So all the sides are completely covered with plastic. That is to keep them dry and warm. And then we have also, if you can see, the chicken run completely covered with hay. And it is a deep cover. And then we've got the roosting bars so that they can cuddle together. As the weather gets colder, they will get closer and huddle up to share the body warmth. In the coop, what we have done is a deep litter method with the straw hay and wood shavings. And then, of course, we got the babies, as you can see. So even though it is quite the chicken controversy, we do have a heat lamp, and it also helps keep their water from freezing. Then out in the run, we have another heat lamp that we have left on, pointed at that water also to keep it from freezing. As long as you have your heat lamps secure safely, we haven't had any issues. We use wire and make sure that they are secure and can't fall. We keep the bulbs free of any dirt and debris that can cause sparks and cause a fire. But as you can see, we have a thick layer of hay throughout the run for them to stay warm with.
It's so cold in here.
Yes, it is cold, baby. It's 7 degrees today, and tomorrow it's going to be, I think, the low. Oh, Benny's got an egg back there. The low is going to be 0 with the wind chill -7. So we're just up here doing some finishing touches on the run to keep the babies warm. My husband made me that awesome nest box, so we'd have an extra 2 boxes now that we've added the babies, so when they get to laying age, there'll definitely be enough room. But as you can see, just make sure that you keep your run completely covered, even on the top, to help keep them dry. We do have it vented so that the moisture doesn't build up in here, because that can cause frostbite when the temperatures get as low as they're going to.
It's so freezing here.
And then just make sure to have plenty of roosting bars, because they will be cuddling up. Keep the water unfrozen, and you can do that using a heat plate. They do also have heated waters, which are very expensive. The heat plates are a little bit cheaper. But again, we're just using the heat lamps pointed at our waters to keep them defrosted. Just work with what you have to ensure that your babies are safe. These aren't only our chickens for egg producing, these are our girls, our queens. So they're very important to us, and we just want to use whatever we have around to keep them safe during the inclement weather that's coming in. Tomorrow is going to be snow and the Arctic blast coming through. So everyone stay safe. Thank you for joining in.